Welcome back to Brain Beats, where curiosity sparks the mind. Did you know our roads don't just shape our commutes? They've also reshaped nature. Highways and streets have created what scientists call a landscape of fear for wildlife. Birds now sing louder to rise above the constant roar of traffic, and animals are forced to adapt their behaviors just to survive. In the US alone, wildlife vehicle collisions lead to up to 2 million accidents each year, costing over $8 billion and tragically resulting in more than 200 human fatalities. But this isn't just about safety. Roads fragment habitats, reducing biodiversity and weakening ecosystems. The good news? Urban planners and conservationists are stepping up with wildlife crossings, bridges and tunnels that help animals cross roads safely. In places like Colorado and Wyoming, these crossings have cut down collisions by up to 90%, protecting both wildlife and humans. By bridging the gap between human innovation and the natural world, we're building a future where both can thrive.